Hello all, welcome to this session on new preservation technology, wherein we are going to be discussing about oscillating magnetic field. Let's get started. The third methodology of interest to food industries is oscillating magnetic field technology. Oscillating magnetic field is a type of magnetic field where the direction and magnitude of magnetic field changes with respect to time. In this method, what happens is food is placed in a plastic bag. It is subjected to magnetic field, which is either in the form of constant sinusoidal wave, amplitude sinusoidal waves, or decaying amplitude sinusoidal waves for a few microseconds to a few milliseconds. The cells they undergo a change in the microstructure, often resulting in increased membrane permeability, meaning that the microbial cells can be easily accessed by any of the ions present within the surrounding media, and it also can lose ions from the cell, disturbing the equilibrium condition within the cytoplasm of the microbial cell. The protection barrier is broken. As a result, there is cell death. Efficiency of this method, it depends on the resistivity of the food and the thickness of the food. Resistivity is how much can the material oppose the flow of current within it. This is called as electrical resistivity. So if you have a product which has greater thickness and higher electrical resistivity, you need to apply a greater magnitude of magnetic field to minimize microbial load. Now, there are several critical conditions that one need to follow when we are carrying out oscillating magnetic field treatment. First is that the magnetic field strength use should be between 10 to 50 Tesla. Anything which is much beyond the magnitude of Earth's magnetic field will be beneficial in the process. It increases the efficiency of the process. Temperature is normally between 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Frequency of 5 to 500 kilohertz needs to be used. If anything is beyond 500 kilohertz, it's not going to be successful in reducing the microbial load, as it leads to increased temperature effect, meaning several chemical reactions can be increased or it can be augmented. Generally, most of these foods that are processed using oscillating magnetic field, they have greater electrical resistivity, often greater than 10 ohm centimeter. Just to give you an idea, orange juice has an electrical resistivity of 30 ohm centimeter. So it is used in processing of milk, yogurt, orange juice, bread, roll dough, etc. Advantages of this technique is that it results in reduced energy requirements. We are not making use of a lot of energy. The second thing is can be used for products in flexible packages. What I mean by this is when you carry out processes which involve light treatment, for instance, you're making use of UV rays in order to reduce the microbial load, you need to place the product in a package that can help UV rays penetrate into the package and treat the product. But in case of oscillating magnetic field, you do not come, you're not encountered with such a constraint. There is improved nutrient retention. Limitations include lacking complete scientific backing. That is, the methodology is still new and a lot of research needs to be done before full-term implementation of such a process at industrial level. Thank you for listening to me patiently. If you have any queries, please feel free to put them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In the next video, we'll be talking about pulsed light as a new preservation technology for extending shelf life of food products. Until then, merci beaucoup.